Hello, my name is Omar. Today I'm at the Mark Kennedy Technology Center, and today we're doing an overview of the Digital Pro Plus. Starting out, we have our on-one unit. Our on-one unit can hold rolls up to 30 inches in diameter. After that, we're going to come up to our splicing table. There's two bars that will hold that material, whether you put in a new material or just change it into a new roll, and then you come in here and you splice your material on. Coming out of our splicing table, we got our web guide. Once you set this up, this will keep your web going down straight down the length of the press. Coming out of our web guide, we have our web cleaner. This rubber roller comes in touch with our material here and picks up any dirt or debris that might be on it, puts it on this lint roller. Once this lint roller is full, you can just come in here, take this off, and you have a brand new sheet to work with. Coming out of our web cleaner, we have our first print station, which is a Pro Series print station, flexo station. We can use it for a couple of things. We can put down a white ink to lay down for a silver or clear substrate when you print in digital onto it. Or you can use it to print just a regular single spot color here. Coming out of our print station, we have our GW UV LED lamps that help cure our inks. Coming out from there, we have our ERC sensors. The ERC sensors help register the print from your first station to your digital or your second station or your die. Coming out of there, we go into our Konica Minolta digital print engine. It's a 230 print engine with CMYK capabilities. Here's our toner. The top speed while running our digital unit is 77 feet per minute. Another option that you have is if you want to run just a single color job or a blank jobs, at a higher speed, you can use our bypass bridge. Coming out of our print engine, here we have our second print station. We can put a varnish, a cold foil, or a laminate. Cold foil like we have our setup right here. Also has our GW LED lamps. Coming out of our second station is our semi-rotary die. This setup right here gives you the option to use flexible dies with one magnetic cylinder for quick and fast changeovers. Coming out of our die, we have our RD scores. Those will help you trim your roll to size. And if you're running a job like I am right now with multiple lanes, we have our crush knives that will help you slit those lanes into single lanes for your finished rolls. Here we have our rewind unit. We have an upper and a lower rewind unit. You can use either one when you're running your jobs, or you can, if you're splitting lanes like I am now, you can use the upper and lower at the same time. That way your rolls don't overlap when you're running it.